Alright, I just want to give you a quick live look of this baby stroller fan. Pretty alright, and it's got lights. Here's the charger part, and it's cordless. And what I like about these is how these are pretty bendable and they can wrap around, or whatever. And it's pretty sturdy and gives off a good amount of wind. You can set it. Here's the back. There's the light. You can dim it or. And it tells you what speed you got it on. Like you can barely hear it now, but it's still giving off some good cool wind. But these are very portable, and you can put them where they're playing, or you can just even use them yourself. Have this in your office. Great for many different reasons, I say. It's at a higher speed now, so yeah, definitely awesome. It's cordless, and just wanted to give you a quick live look and wherever you watch from. Have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching this video here.
This fan is pretty amazing. It's pretty strong and sturdy. A few speeds, great speeds. We have been using that for a few months. Your little cannot put their fingers in there and get cut. That has happened before on other brands. This brand is pretty nice. It's definitely worth the money. The battery lasts a really long time too. I definitely recommend.
So honestly, I was super excited about this, but it's silly because look at how much bigger it is. But just wait. It's ginormous. I would go with this one.